Your business generates thousands of signals every day. Transactions, exceptions, trends, anomalies. Most of them go unnoticed until they become problems. What if your ERP could watch for the things that matter most? A vendor invoice spiking outside its normal range, a frustrated customer in your support queue, an inventory item quietly trending toward a stockout, and tell you before you had to ask. Acumatica is transforming the ERP solution from a system of record into a system of intelligence. With Acumatica's AI Anomaly Detection, you get an advisor that leverages configured inquiries to continuously scan your business data. When something unusual surfaces, it tells you. Setup takes minutes. Choose from Acumatica's out-of-the-box generic inquiries. Select the field and data you want to monitor, and add a group to define what out of the norm looks like for your business. After that, Acumatica does the watching. In this example, the AP clerk is looking at anomalies straight from the dashboard. This expense report was flagged because the dollar amount entered for a hotel stay is out of range. Drilling into this anomaly is only a few clicks away. Here, detection caught subcontracts that are differing levels of severity over the expected subcontract value. From the alert, the reviewer can investigate the issue and avoid potential overpayment. And you control what matters, defining the threshold between a minor variance and a significant anomaly. Then let those definitions do the work. In this example, a production manager on the shop floor uses the dashboard to watch for labor and production anomalies. The generic inquiry drills directly into the data, and after expanding the results, we see a specific employee is operating less efficiently, so you can implement training or mentoring to improve overall team performance. Here, we've set up our dashboard to monitor employee time cards, get notified of potential errors, drill down to investigate. That's just one way to keep your data on track. Acumatica is evolving the ERP platform from a system of record into a system of intelligence. Today you saw intelligence that advises and anticipates. But we aren't stopping there. Unlike competitors that center their AI story on assistants, co-pilots, or standalone agents, Acumatica provides a strategic framework for AI adoption. Through Advise, Assist, Automate, and Orchestrate, you gain a practical path that carries you from insight to action, embedded directly in the workflows your teams already use, and governed by the controls your leaders trust. Contact us today to schedule your personalized demonstration of Acumatica's future-ready platform.